Hi, it's Matt here for Newsshooter.com at IBC 2017. I'm with Michael from ARRI. Now, we're talking about the Pomfort iOS app for Alexa Mini and Amira. So this allows you to control all the functionality of the camera, plus some other pretty cool features.
Okay, yeah, Pomfort PocketControl for ARRI cameras is currently working with the Mini and Amira. It will be working with the SXT in a future software upgrade. It's working through the CAP protocol that we introduced with SOP5, and it's only one of the first applications out there that use our new API. But it's a pretty cool app.
What's the main differences between it and the currently available, like web browser remote page for ARRI?
It's exactly that. The web page is a web page. It is generated in the camera, allows you to fully control the camera, but it's a web page that gets generated by the camera. The app is an app that actually lives on your iPad, so it has some logic in it and talks through the CAP protocol to the camera. So startup times are quicker, and then no need to load graphics and stuff like that. So it's probably a more reliable and more easy to use application for the functionality that the protocol offers.
And the big difference too, I think from reading about it, is that not only can you control all the aspects of the camera and make all your changes, but there's a lot of ability to use ARRI's look library in there and save changes or actually load up looks via the app.
Yeah, well, for all of your viewers who don't know the look library, it's 87 looks in 3 intensities that live into the camera. It's a licensed feature with SOP5. All the new cameras come with it built in, but you can also buy the look library as a license in our license store for 280 euros, which makes it probably €1 per look. And they are very great if you want to do a layout look on set, or if you're kind of don't do look development up front to shoot because you don't have the budget for it, because you don't have the time of it. I would say it covers about 80% of what you will need. And then the interesting piece is that you can use the looks in the look library as a baseline for custom looks that you can do in the field via CDL grading. So you can still modify saturation and the RGB values independently, and combined with the look library, that gives you kind of pretty much, I would say, a 95% coverage for everything you would want to do on set. Of course, it's not like you're working with a DIT in a big environment, but if you're kind of on a small shoot and you're kind of shooting for the web, or you're kind of have a fast-paced workflow with a small team, it's very cool because the look library looks plus the CDL grading that you do in the apps will be embedded into the footage in the metadata and can be read by most of the post applications out there. So you have a really fast workflow where you can work with a creative director or kind of a customer or producer on set and give him the look that he wants right away.
And when's this app going to be available, and is it free or is it going to be a cost behind it?
The Pomfort PocketControl, they said they would release it in October. There is a free version, but the free version will only display the current settings of the camera, so you cannot control anything in the camera. But you will see all the values. You have to upgrade to the full version in order to control. And the price not yet settled in, I think, but it's going to be somewhere between $150 and $200, according to what I have heard. So.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.